In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at Tabs3, a popular accounting software designed for professionals and small businesses alike. First, we'll visit the homepage, where you can immediately see Tabs3's clean interface, which offers various tools for managing finances. When you first log in, the software is intuitive, and it quickly takes you to your dashboard, displaying an overview of your financial activities. One of the standout features is the practice management system. Tabs3 offers tools to track time, bill clients, and manage invoices, all from one place. This is incredibly useful for businesses that need to streamline their operations. The integration between time tracking and billing is seamless, ensuring that you're always on top of your financial transactions. Another highlight of Tabs3 is its reporting capabilities. You can generate detailed reports that show a breakdown of your finances, helping you keep track of cash flow, expenses, and revenue. The reports are customizable, allowing you to adjust the data to your specific needs. For example, you can create reports based on different time periods or project categories. Navigating through the software is simple, with a sidebar on the left providing quick access to various sections like billing, reports, and client management. Tabs3 also offers cloud-based functionality, which is great for those who need to access their accounts remotely. The mobile app version is easy to use, providing on-the-go access to your data. Many useful links can be found in the description below. Be sure to check them out after watching the video. For accounting professionals, the ability to integrate with other tools, like QuickBooks or Excel, adds a lot of value. It saves you time by allowing you to export data or synchronize with external financial systems. Tabs3 also supports multiple users, so your entire team can work together in real time, each with different access levels depending on their roles. The customer support system is also a big plus. Tabs3 provides a comprehensive knowledge base, video tutorials, and a responsive customer service team. You can reach them via phone or email if you encounter any issues. In terms of pricing, Tabs3 offers flexible plans based on your needs, and there's a free trial available for those who want to test it out before committing. Whether you're just starting out or managing an established business, Tabs3 offers a range of options to suit various business sizes. If you're looking for a powerful, user-friendly accounting solution, Tabs3 could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you found this review helpful.